Guys, today we are baking delicious and soft bread, guys. So stay tuned and let's do it together. This is the flour I'm using. I'm making using of 1.5 kilos, and we are making using of 6 teaspoons of sugar. We are not using much sugar on this baking, guys. Here is the yeast I pour is inside. This is one sachet contain 1 teaspoon. So I go in with salt, as you can see. So after adding it, I turn it together. Guys, don't forget to share this video. Follow my page for more audits. Okay, guys, here is the egg. I make use of 4 eggs, guys. So after then, I add milk. So I measure the milk before adding it. So if you want to make your bread, make sure you measure the milk so that you will know the quantity that you are using. So I use 2 cups of milk. I turn it together after adding it. Guys, watch this video to the end. Watch the process and learn how to bake bread in your house. You don't need to buy bread in supermarket again if you can bake it in your house. Watch the process to the end, guys. Okay, guys, here is the butter. I ferment it. I make use of 250 grams of butter, guys, as you can see on this video. I melt it with microwave so that it will be easy for me to use. Guys, don't forget to share this video. It's now I want to use my hand and match it very well so that everything will marry themselves very well. Guys, I say make una come register for my online class. So now only wife material they run now. Only one wife material. Now they run now. Okay, guys, as they hot, I'm done mixing it, guys, as you can see on this video. So guys, I will add a little oil inside the plate. So rub the plate so that I can put the dough inside. So anytime I want to remove it, it will be easy for me to remove. So you have to cover it and leave it for 45 minutes. Okay, guys, I have to use oil to rub where I can put the dough. Just take a look at the dough, guys. It's rice already. So dropping it down. See, our bread is loaded. So guys, this is the process you follow to make your bread. So after putting it down, you have to cut it to the size you want. So just take a look at this video to the end, guys, and see the process that I use to roll this dough. Guys, share this video. Don't forget, after 45 minutes before I start cutting it like this, you can also leave it for 1 hour anytime you make your own bread. If you want to leave it for some hour, you can leave it for 1 hour, guys. So this is the process I use to roll this bread. You can roll it in different ways, but this is the process I use. Guys, don't forget to share this video. I don't even know what to say again here, guys. People that is doing voiceover, they are trying. Voiceover people, you are trying. I give you handle. Guys, now me they run only wife material. Now only wife material they run. Now watch this video to the end, guys. Now see the way they roll us. So now so I go take roll everything. I go come put them for the palm. And so now they see and so they roll her one by one, roll her one by one, come keep am there. Or more. See the process now. How na reason this process? How na reason? So after I roll it, I cover it. You have to cover it for another 45 minutes. You can also leave it for 1 hour if you like. So you have to allow it to rise before putting it inside your oven to bake. As you can see it on this video, I have to cover it very well, guys. So I will leave it for another 45 minutes. So another 45 minutes, I'm back to check it. See the dough don't rise now. So I have to use oil to rub it before keeping it for oven to bake, guys, as you can see on this video. Who they run and now wife material. See the process I use to bake this bread. If you want to learn how to bake bread, use this process. It will come out very well for you, even if you don't know how to bake. I beg you, make una come register for my online class. Not be small thing. See wetin mama just do now. See the bread now. The bread done ready. Oh, now only wife material fit run am like this. Oh, if you taste this bread, then you will not eat any other bread. You will like to break bread in your house. Whether na break I mean na baking, I no come know the English when I dey speak. Oh, guys, make una share this video. Now see the process. Everything dey very nice. Guys, share. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to follow my page. Love you.